Last-minute exam, hacks to pass, even if you haven't studied yet. If your exam is tomorrow and you're staring at your notes with a blank mind, overwhelmed, unprepared, maybe even on the verge of giving up, don't. This isn't over. This is when the real game begins. No, it won't be perfect. No, you won't master everything, but you can still pass and more. This isn't about cramming everything. This is about high-efficiency, pressure-tested focus. The first step? Kill panic. Accept where you are. No more guilt, no more regret, no more saying, I wish I studied earlier. That time's gone. What matters now is output. So breathe, get water, stand up, set a timer, 90 minutes. Because this is not about motivation. This is about activation. Choose the top 20% of topics most likely to come. Scan the syllabus, look at past papers, summaries, teachers' favorites, forget perfection, hunt patterns. Use YouTube or short notes to fill knowledge gaps. Fast. Use active recall. Read, cover, write from memory, repeat, test yourself. Low score? Perfect. That's where your time goes. Don't reread mindlessly. Quiz, write, speak it out loud. Your brain doesn't need comfort now. It needs fire. Next, compress time with focus sprints. 25 minutes on, 5 minutes off. No phone, no distractions, every second counts. Speak what you learn. Teach it to an empty room. Walk and talk your notes. This forces your brain to lock it in. Got diagrams or formulas? Draw them fast. Rewrite once, then close your eyes and visualize. Do this on repeat. Cheat sheets, build one. Make it visual, color-coded, mnemonics, mind maps. Anything to make recall lightning fast under stress. Now fuel your brain. Real food, not sugar. Take short walks between sessions. Avoid scrolling. Your brain is in warrior mode now, and you can't waste dopamine. Got only a few hours to sleep? Then optimize it. No caffeine late, dark room, 90-minute sleep cycles if it's short. Even 3 to 4 hours of deep rest is better than nothing. Then, the exam morning, don't cram. Instead, review bullet points, summaries, formulas. If you panic, pause. Take a deep breath. You've done more in 8 hours than others did in 8 days. Trust that. During the exam, manage your time like a machine. Scan the paper, answer what you know first, and circle what needs more time. Keep moving. Don't get stuck. You're not here to get everything right. You're here to survive smart. Pass strategically. Partial marks matter. Write structured answers even if they're short. Show the examiner you tried, because effort is often the edge. Once it's over, walk out proud. Not because you were perfectly prepared, but because you didn't quit when it got ugly. You went to war with what you had. And sometimes, Janny, that's all it takes to win.